Welcome all of you in Maths class 11th. The topic that we are going to start today is trigonometry, and the very first chapter of trigonometry is angles and arc length. So let's get started. Okay, so first of all, in trigonometry, angles and arc length, we will first understand the angles. Angles are basically the measurement between the gap between the two arms, we say, or two lines. इन दोनों के बीच में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में जो एंगल बनता है, दिस एंगल वी आर गोइंग टू कंसीडर. सो बेसिकली व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्वाड्रेंट्स, कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, this is x axis, this is y. Any type of line, if the line is in the first quadrant, this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third and fourth. Always we start from right side of x axis and in anti-clockwise direction. अब anti-clockwise direction, generally the clock moves in this direction, 12, then 3, 6, 9, in this direction. Anti-clockwise मतलब इसका उल्टा, this direction is theta. If the line is in second quadrant, theta will not be this, theta will be from positive side of x-axis, anti-clockwise direction, this is theta. What if it is in third quadrant, here, line. Now the angles again starting from here till this is the value of theta. And if it is in fourth quadrant, one complete revolution we have to take from here. Starting from here, anti-clockwise direction, this is the angle that we are looking for. So now let's learn how to convert theta from radians to degree and degree to radians. Very simple calculations are there. Okay, so first let us understand how to do the conversion. Before that, we should know what are the radians and what are degrees. The unit of measuring an angle. Degrees you have seen denoted by a sign. Suppose 30 degree I am talking about. So 30 and degree. Radians, first of all, is pi. Pi value is 180 when we talk about degrees. So radians में उसको denote करते हैं pi and degrees में it is 180. And we know other values of pi also, 22/7. We will take where to use which value. अभी देखेंगे उसको. 180 is pi. So pi by 2 clearly denotes 90. That is right angle. 180 by 2, 90. Same way pi by 3. 180 by 3, 60 in degrees. Pi by 4. 180 by 4 is 45 degrees. Pi by 6 is 30 degrees. 180 by 6. So these notations are radians. And whenever theta has no unit or it is written like 3 pi by 4, that means the expression of angle is in radians. So it is optional to write radian, RAD, in the end. It is quite optional. आप लिख सकते हो, नहीं भी लिखोगे तब भी understood है that the unit is radian. But अगर आप डिग्री लिख रहे हो, theta is some 120 degrees. So डिग्री आपको मेंशन करना ज़रूरी है, रेडियन मेंशन करना ज़रूरी नहीं है. वो आंसर में पाई होगा, उससे पता चल जाएगा. Now, degree, 1 degree is actually equal to 60 minutes. Minutes we denote by apostrophe. And 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. These are the notation. Now let us see how to convert radians to degree and degree to radians. So conversion is quite simple. You better remember any one of them because it will be confusing otherwise. If we want to convert degree to radian, degree से अगर हमें radian में convert करना है, we will multiply the number by pi by 180 degrees. और अगर हमें radian से degree में convert करना है, we will multiply the given number by 180 degrees by pi. So let us see the first question. The first question is express in degrees. Degree में convert करना है. Radians given है, like I said, radian आपको पता चल जाएगा without unit, pi होगा. So in all the parts we have pi. So converting into degrees, radian से degree में convert करने के लिए multiply by 180 upon pi. So let us convert first question. So converting into degrees, we have to multiply by 180 by pi. Pi and pi cancel, 630 degrees is the answer. So in all the parts you have to multiply by 180 by pi to get your answer. And then the calculations you may complete. So pi will get cancelled in degree notation. जब आपका final answer आएगा उसमें degrees नहीं, pi नहीं होगा. और जब आपका आंसर रेडियन में होगा उसमें पाई ज़रूर होगा. नाउ कैंसिलिंग दिस वी विल गेट 168 डिग्री, 110 डिग्रीज. हेयर यूनिट इज़ कंपल्सरी, 14 डिग्रीज. yes. Now the opposite, express in radian. Now see, this is given 1 minute and like I told you 1 minute is equal to 60 degrees. 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. So when 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes, 1 minute किसके equivalent होगा? Unitary method. 1 minute will be 1 by 60 degrees. So इसको डिग्री में कन्वर्ट करेंगे and then डिग्री से रेडियन. To convert degree into रेडियंस, रेडियंस में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ऑपोजिट ऑफ दिस, पाई बाय 180. सो मल्टीप्लाई एवरीवेयर बाय पाई बाय 180. दैट्स इट. सो बेटर यू रिमेंबर एनी वन ऑफ देम. या तो आप डिग्री कन्वर्जन याद रखो 180 बाय पाई, या रेडियन कन्वर्जन याद रखो पाई बाय 180. दोनों याद रखोगे बिकॉज दे आर सेम ऑलमोस्ट, सो कन्फ्यूजन होगा. सो हेयर वी हैव pi by 10800 and pi by 9 and this is 3 pi by 4. and like I said, radian लिखो या ना लिखो, it is not compulsory, it's completely your wish. जब भी radian नहीं लिखा होगा तो ये understood होगा that ये radian ही है. okay. Now next question based on finding angles, express in radians and also in degree. So दोनों में express करना है आंसर. The angle of a regular polygon of 40 sides and n sides one by one. Regular first of all means that the polygon is of 40 sides and all the interior angles are equal. Regular का मतलब all sides are equal, all angles are equal. So there is a formula of finding each interior angle. Each angle interior of a regular polygon. The formula we need to learn. We must have learnt in previous classes also. The formula is n minus 2 into 180 upon n. For n sides, where sides n means the number of sides. So first part where we have 40 sides, let us first find angle होगा क्या? Theta. Each interior angle 40 minus 2 into 180 upon 40. So 38 into 180 upon 40. When you solve it, you will get 171 degrees as the angle by default. So degree answer तो automatically आ गया. Now we want to convert it into radians. So to convert degrees into radians, we need to multiply by pi by 180. So the final answer is, this is cancelling by 19 actually. 19. So 19 pi by 20 radian, the answer in radian and the answer in degree. Let's try second part of n sides. N sides, each interior angle will be this only. So degree value automatically we have is this. इसी के बाहर यूनिट लगा दो डिग्री. Now radian answer, degree multiplied by pi by 180. The same value I have copied down, pi by 180. 180 cancel. So we have n minus 2 upon n pi. अब इसके आगे आप रेडियन लिखो या ना लिखो, it's completely your choice. So this is the answer in degree and this in radian. So now in the next video I will cover the next topic, angles. We have done, the chapter was angle and arc length. Done with the angles. Now you can convert any angle into degrees or in radian. Now the next topic of the video will be arc length and the area covered by it. These are the topics for the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.